If you want to create bootable pendrive of Windows 10 to install in your another PC or want to revive your dead laptop, then this video is only for you guys. Hello friends, I hope you are doing just fine, and in this video we are going to see that how you can create a bootable USB flash drive of Windows 10 in very easy steps. So basically we are going to use a simple tool which will be going to help us to create our USB flash drive without creating much chaos. By not wasting any other time, let's get started. So now I am at my computer screen. So here first of all what I need to do is to open my default browser. So I am using my Chrome here. You can use any other preferred browser, and you just need to search here Rufus, R-U-F-U-S, and at the moment you search you can find this link by official site of Rufus. So I am going to simply click on that, and here what you need to do is to scroll down a little bit so you can see the screenshot of an interface that we are going to use. And you can see here the download section where few of the links are given below. If your architecture build is Windows 64, then only you need to select the first link, otherwise you can select as per your specifications. So my build is of 64-bit, so I am going to use the first link itself and simply clicking on it. So here is the ad popping out, so I am going to close, and down there my file is completely downloaded and it is pretty small, which is nearly around 1.4 MB. So I am going to click on it and install it first. Here is the notification from user control account, so I am going to press on yes. Now the small pop-up is showing in front of me that do you want to allow Rufus to check the application updates online. So I am going to click on yes because I do not want to leave any of the update. So you can see after checking, here is our Rufus interface is opened in front of me. Now firstly I would minimize my browser, and here you can see the interface properly of my Rufus software. So in the device section here you can see that it is showing no label 16 GB. So basically it's my pen drive which I have mounted in my PC right now. So you can also plug your pen drive so that it can automatically detect it. And if in case there are so many pen drives, then you can select from here the one you want. Now let's move on. Second thing, it is saying boot selection. So I am going to click on the drop down, and here you need to select disk or ISO image. So I am going to click on it. And on the right side you can see the select options. So here click on drop down menu and click on download, which means it is going to download the ISO file of the operating system you want. So now here you can see the small pop-up is showing in front of me, which is asking me for the version of ISO image I want to install. So here you will click on Windows 11 and you can select the particular ISO file which you want to download. So simply I am going to choose Windows 10 because I want Windows 10 bootable flash drive. So after selecting it, press on continue. Give it a moment and it is going to load, and then it is showing me the version of Windows 10 it is going to install. So just keep it on default, press continue. Here it is asking me for the edition and only one edition is available. So I am also going to leave that as default and press on continue. It might take some time to load and it is asking me my language. So I am going to select English obviously and continue, and it is asking me for my architecture tool. So I am going to select 64, and here you can see download using a browser. So leave it unchecked and press on download in here. After clicking on it, it is going to ask me where I want to locate my Windows 10 ISO image, which is going to be our main file. Let's put it in here. Now you can see in the status bar our process has been started and our file is downloaded. So it is going to take few minutes, I guess 15 to 20 minutes, but it eventually depends on your internet speeds. Now let's skip to the next process. And also before moving further, if you are following along with this tutorial, please consider liking this video and also subscribe to our channel because it helps me to keep motivated myself to create such tutorials to help you guys. And now you can see that our status is nearly complete. The ISO file is completely downloaded and my status is showing ready. So what you need to simply do is to click on start button down here, and after clicking on it there is a pop-up. So here you can select as it is settings and you can press on OK. Now there is a warning coming up on my screen which is showing me that all the data which is present in my pen drive, which is going to be our flash drive, is going to be formatted, which means it is all going to be erased. So it's better if you have important files in it, you should copy it to your computer or any hard disk. So I have checked all these things and now I want to proceed further, and you can see that our status has started processing. So now after waiting for a couple of minutes, our process has been completed, and you can see here the green status bar, which means that our process has been completed. So you can close this Rufus software now and go to your file explorer, and you can see that our logo of pen drive has been changed to this along with its name. So let's open it first, and here you can see the different kind of folders which is of boot, sources, support and other essential things. So now what you need to do is to go back, and here you can see the option of eject. So I am going to click on it, and now I can remove my pen drive from my desktop and can use in any other laptop or PC to install my Windows 10. Guys, we have come to an end of this tutorial, and I hope you like this information, and if so, please like this video and also comment down in case of any doubts or issues. Before going, I want to tell you guys that if you have Windows 11 and want to downgrade your system to Windows 10 due to some bugs or errors, you can check this video out which is on this channel, because it is going to help you to downgrade your PC without even using any external USB flash drive. So you must check that out. I'll put the link in the I button and also in the description. Now let's meet on another video. Until then, bye bye.